When you have property that's owned by multiple people and one of them has a life estate, which means they have the ownership during their life, and then when they pass away, ownership transfers to the remainderman, who is responsible for taking care of that property? So paying the taxes, paying for insurance, making sure the property is kept in good working order. The life tenant is the one who's responsible. It is their responsibility because they are the ones who are living in the property. If you are a remainderman and the taxes are not being paid or the insurance is not being paid, there is a mechanism for you to go into court, and basically you can end that life tenancy because they're not taking care of their responsibilities. Hi, I'm Alecia C, owner of Genesis Law, and if you are in need of estate planning or probate assistance in the state of Florida, click on the link in the description box, go to schedule a consultation, and let's get started.